Introducing the Element Mezzo 2 XLR to 2 XLR audio cable pair from Atlas. The Element Mezzo has been designed to meet the incredibly popular requirements for a cost-effective balanced cable with very little compromise in performance. The Mezzo XLR combines a copper alloy body plug with a copper alloy connectors and crimped, solder-free construction. The Mezzo has a very well screened interconnect for this price point, with excellent resistance to RFI, that's radio frequency interference, helping to ensure a low noise level and neutral sound. Atlas have used the PES gas-formed method, which creates a more inert, consistent, higher quality product. Everything Atlas creates is based on ongoing research and development, rigorous testing and extensive listening. The final ingredient, a deep love of music. Transform your listening experience today. Now available at Future Shop.